Hello and welcome everyone on my channel. So today we are going to discuss a very important topic, that's name is anatomy and physiology MCQ. This is part 2 of our video. We have discussed part 1 in our previous video. So if you want to watch that video, you can visit our channel. Okay. So this may be important for your competitive exams and your university entrance exams also. So let's start with first MCQ. The first one MCQ which is given to us, collection of cells having similar structure and function. Okay, here the question is asking cells having similar structure and function, okay, are called. So here the right answer of this question is tissue. Tissue contains a group of cells having similar structure and function. Okay, right answer of this question is tissue. Okay, here when tissue combine together it form an organ, and when organ combine together it form a system. Okay, this is the process of formation a system from a tissue. Okay, and what nucleus is do? Nucleus contains genetic material including DNA and RNA. Okay, here the right answer of first question is tissue. Second one question which is given to us, what is the function of epithelial tissue? Here the question is asking the function of epithelial tissue. First one option which is given to us, protection, second one secretion, third one both, and fourth one connection. Here the right answer of this question is both, protection and secretion. Suppose that it's your skin and it's your epithelial tissue, so how it will function? So it will, first one, it will protect your skin, okay, because it located above the skin, above of your skin. So how it will do function? It will protect your skin, and it will also secrete some fluids or secretion which protect your skin from the growth of microorganisms. Okay, it also secretes some liquids which play an important role in your body homeostasis condition, because epithelial tissue also secrete sweat. Okay, and when your body secretes sweat, it maintain the temperature of your body. Okay, here the right answer of this question is secretion and protection both. Third one question which is given to us, it's looking a difficult question, but it is not difficult. If you will read this question, then you will be able to do easily. Okay, the question is asking areolar tissue, fibrous tissue, yellow elastic tissue. Here I think it has been misprinted, reticulocyte. Okay, here the right word will be reticular tissue. Okay, reticular tissue, and adipose tissue, lymphoid tissue, cartilage, bone and teeth are example of which type of tissue. Here the question is asking what type of tissue these are. Okay, first one option is epithelial, second one muscular, third one nervous, and fourth one is connective tissue. Here the right answer of this question is connective tissue. Areolar tissue, fibrous tissue, yellow elastic tissue, reticular tissue, adipose tissue, lymphoid tissue, cartilage, bone and teeth are the example of connective tissue. Here the right answer of this question is connective tissue. Okay, next one MCQ which is given to us, contractile tissue is also known as. So what are the contractile tissue? Our skeletal muscle. Okay, suppose that if you feel cold or hot, if you touch anything, you will feel hot or cold, then you immediately remove your hand from that. Why? Your muscle contract immediately. Okay, so contractile tissue is known as muscle. Okay, here the right answer of this question is muscle. Okay, blood is a liquid connective tissue, and heart is also, we can say it contractile, but it is not included in contractile tissues. Okay, because it pump blood over the body. Okay, here the right answer of the question is muscle. Fifth one MCQ which is given to us, how many types of muscles are there in human body? So here the question is asking how many type of muscles. So mainly three types of muscles are found in our body. First one is skeletal muscle, second one is cardiac muscle, and third one is smooth muscle. Okay, skeletal muscle are voluntary, and cardiac muscle and smooth muscle are involuntary muscles. Okay, here the right answer of this question is three types of muscle found in our body. Next one question which is asking what is the main function of myosin? So what is myosin? Myosin is a contractile protein. There are two type of contractile protein found in our body. First one is actin and second one is myosin. Okay, so contractile, it defines that it helps in contraction of our muscle. Okay, so how it will contract our muscle? It will use some energy, and where the energy is produced in our cell. And what is the source of energy? The source of energy will be ATP. Okay, so how myosin convert ATP to ADP? Through the enzyme ATPase. Okay, ATPase enzyme convert ATP to ADP and use energy and contract muscle. Okay, this is all about myosin. How myosin is contracting our muscle? It convert ATP into ADP through the enzyme ATPase. Okay, here the right answer of this question is second one, ATPase activity. When ATPase act on ATP, it converted into ADP. Okay, the right answer of this question is ATPase activity. Next one question which is given to us, minimum time required by current of prescribed strength to bring about accession of muscle fiber is known as. Suppose that it is your muscle, skeletal muscle, and I am giving it stimulation. Okay, so here the time between when I start to give a stimulation to your muscle and when your muscle feel stimulation, so this time is also called chronaxy. Here the right answer of this question is chronaxy. The time when I started to when I started to give you an stimulation and when your muscle is feeling stimulation, though here the time period between that is known as chronaxy. Here the question is asking same thing, minimum time required by current of prescribed strength to bring about accession of muscle fiber is known as chronaxy. The time interval is also called chronaxy. Okay, next one question which is given to us, the time interval between the point of stimulation and the beginning of contraction in a muscle is known as. I think you will think that it is similar to the previous question, but it is not similar. Here the question is asking the time interval between the point of stimulation when you have given a stimulation to your skeletal muscle, or I have given a stimulation to your skeletal muscle, and here the question is asking after the stimulation and when your muscle contact, the time between of this period, okay, is called, what is called, latent period. What is latent period? The time when your muscle feel an stimulation and started contraction, so this time period is also called as latent period. Okay, and the right answer of this question is latent period. Next one MCQ which is given to us, inside muscle contraction is initiated by. Here the question is asking inside muscle contraction is initiated by. I have already discussed you that myosin convert ATP into ADP, okay, through the enzyme ATP is, okay, so then muscle contraction occur. So here the question is same thing asking inside muscle contraction is initiated by. So here the right answer of this question is ATP dissociation. ATP dissociate into ADP through the enzyme ATP is, okay. Here the right answer of this question is ATP dissociation. Okay.